Mr. John Graham Ward and Miss Esther Beatty, are you still here? Miss Esther Beatty? Yes, please.
They are already, Mother. So our Miss Photogenic, who's your best? Actually, they are all gorgeous and stunning with or without makeup. So our Miss Photogenic is candidate number. Is your candidate number 1?
Oh, yes, number 1, photogenic. Congratulations, candidate number 1. Oh, my God. Miss Photogenic from Bayanihan Group, Manila. We have a pin. Please be ready to pin there. So, thank you very much, Miss Mary Jane Kabuya. Partner, next award, please.
And our next minor award is the Best in Production Number.
Yes.
They are judging depends on appearance, confidence, and execution. And our Best in Production Number.
1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. We need to call the award.
Yes.
Miss Jean Sabordo and Fremalin Mabalot, please come forward. Jean Sabordo and Fremalin Mabalot.
So our Best in Production Number is candidate number. We got it right. Candidate number 7.
Number 7.
So what is a close fight competition.
Please be ready, Miss Maribel Ginova and
They
Cherry
are
Rivero.
so all-deserving candidates.
Maribel Ginova and Cherry Rivero to award the Best in Talent.
Are you guys ready to witness who's among the have the originality and presentation of the talent competition? So, our Best in Talent. Who's your best? I hear some 7, 10, 1. Lahat ng mga candidates, the best in talent kasi lahat sila magagaling. Tama? So, it's the judge's decision. So, our best in talent is you guys number. All pero pag sinubog na yung
May we call Miss Nani Persia and Charis Loan Kiampao.
So our next award is the Best in Swimsuit, who exude beauty of the face, body proportion, and walking style.
So partner, it doesn't mean you have a body beautiful, but
Actually, it's not the body size. It's how you showcase yourself, your confidence on the stage.
alright. So, Miss Annie Persia and Charis Loan Ana Kiacho. Are you she's still busy there. So, representative, please, Charis Loan and Annie Persia to give the award of Miss Swimsuit. Anyone? Yes.
Our
Okay.
representative-
Chief Sabundo, please do the honor for the Miss in Swimsuit.
Are the presenters of the Best in Swimsuit it's ready? If it's yes. So we are now ready to announce the best in swimsuit. What's your bet, guys? One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yes, 11. Okay, announce na.
So our best in swimsuit, you are lucky for today. Lucky 9.
Lucky number 9. Best in swimsuit. Nagulat pa siya. Nagulat siya dahil sa daw ang nanalo. Iharap mo ang litrato mo.
So meaning is a very tight competition because you know what, there is no,
Yung pera na hulog.
the awards is distributed wisely. Very appreciated, highly appreciated to the knowledge and well-deserved pile of judges. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. And to finish the major award, let's go for the best in gown. Girls, can you please stand up to show again your beautiful gowns? Put your things on that.
So our best in gown is when it's first impression, the posture, the confidence, and of course the stage presence, and how to showcase their shiny, shimmering, splendid gown. So our best in gown. Who's your bet? It's so very tight, ladies and gentlemen. I highly appreciated, I highly commended with all the board of judges for today's Miss Calendar Girl 2024. And our best in gown is candidate number, who's the best? Is here candidate number 8. Actually, it's a tie-breaking competition, but all of judges decided that candidate number 8 will be our best in gown for today.
Best in gown, Miss Gigi Espigar, parang wala na sila dito. And Mr. Toto Lake actually, so, okay.
May I request all the committee of photography to stay at the center for the preparation of the picture purposes.
Partner, we forgot to call the speaker.
Steve Harvey na tayo, guys. So, nandito na tayo sa era ng Miss Universe.
I'm
Steve Harvey.
sorry, Miss Ronafi.
Yes, I
Sorry.
am very sorry.
Oo.
So, Miss Elegant.
Number 6, it's not number 5. Number 6, Elizabeth Camden. Another Elizabeth Camden.
Another one from